let us understand what do we mean by linear equation in one variable. Okay. First of all, we need to understand what do we mean by linear equation in one variable. Everybody please pay attention. It is a very simple topic. Everybody please pay attention. Okay, it is a very simple topic. This is the name of the chapter. Before we understand, first we need to understand what is an equation. Okay. I will give you a very simple definition and trust me, you will remember this for lifetime. Okay. Equation is what? A mathematical statement with at least one variable and an equal to. For any mathematical statement to be an equation, there should be two conditions. First is there should be at least one variable, and the second is there should be an equal to sign. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
there
sir.
should be at least one variable. Now, what do you mean by everybody? What do we mean by at least one variable? At least one means what?
There can be more.
Yes, correct. At least one means what, everybody? Minimum one variable should be there. There can be more than one variable also. Still, it will be an equation. Everybody understood? At least one means what? There should be minimum one variable, but there can be more than one variables also. So let us understand now. Is this an equation? You all tell me. X plus 7. Is this an equation?
Yes. No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Why this is not an equation?
Sir, because
Sir,
there's an
because
equal
there
to
is no
sign.
equal to sign.
Yes, correct. There should be two conditions, right? There should be one variable and there should be an equal to sign. Everybody's understanding? So right now here we don't have an equal to sign. So this is not an equation. Now
Yes, sir.
Now it's an equation, right? Everybody clear? If I write only this much, this is not an equation. But if I write x plus 7 is equal to 0, now it is an equation. Everybody clear, beta? Sabko samajh gaya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this an equation? Second one?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. We have a variable which is y and we have an equal to sign, right? So that is an equation. This one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But there are how many variables in this equation?
Two variables.
Two variables. I told you, at least one means what? Minimum one or more than one is also okay. Minimum one variable, or there can be more than one variables. It can be two variables. It can be three variables. Okay. It can be n number of variables, right? Is this an equation?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You just need to check variable and you just need to check equal to sign. That's all. Please remember. And I hope you will not forget this now for your entire life. Okay. Equation is any mathematical statement with at least one variable and an equal to sign. Clear, beta? Okay. So what I want you to do is now, just a minute. Now you start writing. Listen, what you will write. Please listen. Write down the name of the chapter and write down the definition of equation. Chapter का नाम लिखो और equation का definition लिखो now. Right? So we understood what is an equation, everybody. Right? But in this chapter, we are going to study which equations? We are going to study linear equations. Can you see that? The name of the chapter. We are going to study what, everybody? Linear equations. I hope you are understanding. The name of the chapter is linear equations. Now, what do we mean by this word linear? Linear equation is an equation whose degree is 1. Okay. An equation whose degree is 1 is called as a linear equation. Now you will be wondering, sir, what is degree? Okay, what is the degree of the equation? Degree means what, beta? Degree simply means highest power of the variable. Degree means what, beta? Highest power of the variable. Okay. Right? Okay, I will give you some examples. Okay, everybody please listen. I will just explain once again. Linear equation means what, beta? An equation whose degree is how much? 1. Okay, and degree means what, beta? Highest power of the variable. Right? Highest power of the variable. That is the meaning of the word degree. Everybody please pay attention carefully. Okay, let us take up an equation. I will give you a very simple example. Suppose this is the equation, right? Okay, just a minute. This is the equation. Check the highest power of the variable. Variable का highest power क्या दिख रहा है? Variable का highest power. Which is the highest power of the variable?
2.
2. Right? It is 2. Everybody is understanding. The highest power of the variable is what, everybody? 2. So the degree of the equation is what, everybody? 2. Right? This is an equation whose degree is how much? 2. Everybody understood? Okay. But for an equation to be linear, degree should be how much, everybody? Degree should be 1. Okay, degree should be how much? 1. Okay, so this is not a linear equation. Everybody understood? This is not a linear equation because degree is 2. Everybody clear? Sabko samjha how to find the degree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have 4 equations right now in front of your screen. Let us see what is the degree of this equation.
1.
1.
One.
The highest power of the variable is nothing, means it is 1. Yes or no? So degree of this equation is 1, means it is a linear equation. Everybody understood? Yes or no, beta? Any doubt so far? Anybody?
No, I didn't understand.
You did not understand? See. Yes, I will explain once again, beta. See, we are finding what? Degree. Degree means what? Highest power of the variable. Can you see that? Highest power of the variable. So we just need to find the power of the variable. Which is the variable here? X. Okay. What is the power of X? It is nothing, means it is what? 1. Yes or no? Okay. So that is the reason the degree becomes what? 1.
1.
So if the degree is 1, this is which equation, everybody? Linear equation. Right?
So means if there is the highest power of the variable 1, then
Yes.
it is linear equation.
Yes, correct. Then it is a linear equation, right?
And sir, if there is x powered by 2, then it's not a linear.
Yes,
linear.
Correct. See, I will give an example. See, suppose this is the given equation, right? Now you check which is the highest power of the variable now. What is the highest power of the variable, everybody here?
So 6.
2.
2. The highest power of the variable here is what? 2. So this degree of this equation is how much, everybody? It is 2. Right? So this is not a linear equation.
And sir, what is this 4?
4. This 4, beta. Just a minute. This 4.
Yes, sir.
That is called as coefficient, beta. That is called as what? Coefficient of X. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear, everybody? Everybody understood this much? Yes or no? Okay.
Sir.
Yes. What happened? Anybody? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Let us continue. What about the next one? What is the degree of this equation, everybody?
1.
1.
1.
The highest power of the variable is 1 once again. So the degree is 1. Means again it is which equation? Linear equation, right? Okay. Everybody is understanding, no dear? Sab log ko samjha? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us check the third one now. Third and the fourth one. What is the power of X? 1.
1.
What is the power of Y also? 1.
1.
So can you say the highest power is 1? So the degree is 1. Means again it is linear. Everybody clear? Everybody clear, beta? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, I will just explain once again, everybody. Linear equation means what? An equation whose degree is how much, everybody?
1.
1.
1.
And degree means what, everybody?
Highest
power.
Highest power of the variable.
Highest power of variable, right, everybody? Yes or no? Okay. Let's check the last one. Last one. Is it a linear equation?
Yes.
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 The power of X is 1. The power of Y is also 1. Highest powers are 1. So this is also linear equation. Clear, everybody? Simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So you understood what are linear equations. Linear equation, just write down the definition in your notebook. Everybody. Yes, Malak, tell me what happened, beta.
So, sir, like, if it does not have anything on that, like just now you said, so it will be 1.
It should be 1. It should be 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you said correctly. If the power is nothing, means it is 1. Yes, that is what you are asking, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the power is nothing, means
And
it
if
is
the
1.
power is 3, it's not a linear equation.
It is not a linear equation. See this way. If I give you this example, everybody please listen. What is the highest power of the variable now?
3.
It is 3, right? Can you check the highest power of the variable is how much, everybody? 3. So the degree of the equation is what, everybody? 3.
3.
So this is not a linear equation. Everybody clear? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now, everybody write down the definition. I will tell you. Write down first linear equation. Everybody start writing with me. Write down linear equation. I will write down an equation.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, beta.
So if the highest variable is 1, then that means it's a linear equation, right?
Yes, highest power of the variable. Then it's a linear equation.
So if it's more than 1, then that means it's not the linear equation.
Yes, if it's more than 1, it's not linear. As simple as that.
Okay, thanks.
An equation with degree 1 is called a linear equation. Okay, and you can write down inside the bracket in the next line. Degree means highest power of the variable. Okay, degree means what? Highest power of the variable. Chalo. Now I will ask you some questions, everybody. Okay, you have to just answer yes or no in the chat box. Okay, just type yes or no in the chat box. Okay, come on, let us start quickly. Yes, is this a linear equation? Yes or no in the chat box. Yes, everybody is correct. Great. Everybody is correct. Yes, this is not a linear equation, right? Okay. Why? The degree is what, everybody?
2.
2, sir.
The degree is 2. Right. Everybody correct. Super. Okay, degree is 2. Yes, correct question. Correct, Aryan. Okay, this is not a linear equation, right? Let us write one more example. Okay, suppose I am taking the variable as m now. M plus 3 is equal to 0. Yes or no in the chat box? Yes, correct. Super. Great, everybody. The answer is yes this time. Okay. The power of m is nothing but it is 1. Right? Okay. So the degree is how much, everybody? It is 1. Right? Okay. Clear, everybody? I hope everybody can find the degree now. Okay. Right? If the degree is 1, it is a linear equation. Right? Great. Superb, everybody. Great answers given by all of you. I'm really happy that you all understood that. Please remember and don't forget this, because the same topic will be there for you in 9th standard and 10th standard also. Okay, the same topic will be there for you in 9th standard and 10th standard. Okay, now, so everybody please understand now, all these 4 equations are linear, yes or no? All these 4 equations are linear. Okay, but in this chapter, we are going to understand linear equations in one variable. Can you look at the name of the chapter, everybody? Okay, yes. We are going to study linear equations in one variable. Now look at the 4 equations and tell me which are linear equations in one variable.
Sir, first and second one.
First 2.
Yes,
First and second one.
First and second one. These are the linear equations in one variable. These are also linear equations, but these are linear equations in 2 variables.
2 variables.
Correct. And this is what you are going to study in 9th and 10th standard, beta. In 8th standard, we are going to study linear equation in one variable. Everybody understood? Yes or no? Okay. Yes, so let me remove the last 2 equations, and these are our linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, last ke dono hata diye maine. Okay, these are our linear equations in one variable. I hope the name of the chapter is clear to everybody. Name of the chapter is clear. Any doubt in the name of the chapter, anybody? Great. Let us quickly revise now whatever we discussed. Now, first of all, what is an equation? Equation is what? A mathematical statement which satisfies how many conditions? 2 conditions. Which is the first condition? There should be at least
1 variable.
One
Variable.
And which is the second condition, everybody?
It should have a
Equal sign.
Yes, that is the second condition. So equation is a mathematical statement with at least one variable, and there should be an equal to sign. Okay. Then we understood what is a linear equation. Linear equation means what, everybody?
The degree should be 1.
Yes.
It should
Correct.
have the degree 1.
Yes, the linear equation means an equation whose degree is 1. And degree means what, everybody? What is the meaning of this word degree?
The highest power of the variable.
Highest power of the variable.
Super. Degree means what, everybody? Highest power of the variable. But we are going to study only those linear equations which have which are having one variable. Okay, so we are going to study linear equations in one variable. I hope the introduction part of the chapter is very much clear to everybody. Okay,